Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have August Simply Earth. Do you want to know which recipes we'll be making this month? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so Simply Earth for August just arrived. I did have Cheryl, aka Who Dat, package my box again. And let's go ahead and dive in here. They always do donate 13% of each box sold to end human trafficking. So inside, we'll know who they're giving it to this particular month, but on their box, they always say the 13%. That's what it looks like inside. We have the recipe cards, we have the stickers, and that is all of the products. So on here, there will be a card that goes over all of the different oils. A sneak peek at next month's box if you would like to know. The theme is You Stinker. This month we're fighting odor without toxic chemicals. 100% pure oils will be Defender, Clove, Lemon Eucalyptus, and Blood Orange will be the essential oils for next month. Toxin-free recipes are going to be a drawer deodorizer, a diffuser blend, a roll-on, plus 3 more fun recipes, all to be revealed. So now they're not giving us all of the recipes, they're leaving some of them as a surprise. And then the extras are gonna be a tea bag, spray bottle, one more surprise that I'm really excited about. And the things that you would want to have at home is cotton balls, baking soda, large sewing needle, and embroidery floss or string. Now, this month, they're making a difference and donating the 13% to Sojourn House. I'm not sure how to say that. That, I believe, is a lot what they were donating to last month as well. I believe that's the same place. So that's who they're donating the 13% to this month. Now, for the oils that we have for this month, we have the first one here is Juniper Berry. This is for energizing, soothes inflammation. Dilute before using on skin. Kid safe 2+. Pregnancy safe, yes. Consult a doctor. Cat safe, yes. Dog safe, yes. We have this one, and I'm not sure how to say that guy, but this one is for calm, soothes inflammation. Dilute before using on skin. Kid safe 2+. Pregnancy safe, yes. Consult a doctor. Cat safe, yes. Dog safe, yes. Then we have is grapefruit. There's that. Uplifts, energizes, balances oily skin. Dilute before using on your skin. Kid safe 2+. Pregnancy safe, yes. Consult a doctor. Cat safe, no. Dog safe, yes. Then we have is citrus blend. Cleans and uplifts. Dilute before using on skin. Kid safe 2+. Pregnancy safe, not recommended. Cat safe, no. Dog safe, yes. So it looks like this month, half of them are good for cats, half are not, and all of them are okay to use around dogs. And I like that they do say that because we do have to make sure that we're using the correct oils around pets because they can't talk to tell us if they're feeling off. So we always have to make sure that we're doing everything carefully. So that is the different oils for this month. Now the 6 different recipes that we have is going to be a citrus face mist. And this one says that it takes 25 minutes and the shelf life is 6 weeks. And in here, all you'll need is a coffee filter. Actually, nope, that's not true. They put a little asterisk on anything that you need to supply yourself that's not in this month's box or the bonus box. So it says the asterisk is buy 1 coffee filter, but they needed to have an asterisk over by the 1/4 cup of hot distilled water, because if you need distilled water, that's something else that you need to have on hand as well. And then just the oils are included, or is what you need. Sweet Lips Exfoliating Lip Scrub. That sounds good. That one takes 5 minutes and the shelf life is 3 weeks. And that one, all you need is a small jar and everything else should be included. Actually, that's not true. You also need sugar and honey to make this, and that should have had an asterisk as well, but it doesn't. So there's that. Now we have is a citrus summer diffuser blend. I can't wait to see what that smells like, especially since all of these are dog safe. I definitely want to try that one out. Sweet citrus lip balm. And this one you would need, it looks like everything would be included between the bonus box and this box. So there's that. Cucumber soothing eye mask. That sounds nice. 5 minutes and the shelf life is 3 months. Oh, the citrus lip balm, I'm sorry, that takes 10 minutes and the shelf life is 1 year. So the cucumber soothing eye mask, you should have everything included. Nope. You need a small cucumber and that does not have an asterisk. So I'm not quite sure what's going on with this month and them having the correct things listed if you need to supply them or not. But this one, nothing has an asterisk, but you do need a small cucumber to do this one. And then the last one is Radiant Joy Roll On. It takes 2 minutes and the shelf life is 1 year. And it looks like you should have everything for that one. Now the little extras that we do have this month is we have a spray bottle right here. So this is probably for the face mist. So you're gonna make a little bottle of it, and if you like it, you could always just keep making the same product over and over again. Then we have is 4 cotton rounds. Maybe that's for the eye, the cucumber soothing eye mask. Yep, cotton rounds is what you need that for. So there's 4 of those. And then you have these little like paper. We have like these little paper jars. I'm not sure what these are for. Under extras, it says lip balm tubes. Lip balm tubes? You asked, we answered. We've replaced the plastic lip balm tubes with more sustainable paper board option. So they replaced these with the, how does it go? I like the other ones better because you twist on the bottom and the product comes out. So how do you get the product out of here? Unless you push this in, but that's not, I don't know. I like the other ones better, but apparently some people have asked for something more sustainable and that's what they did. Again, I prefer the other ones, but I don't know. I don't know how these work to be lip balm tubes, but especially if they're in your pocket and they get wet with like water or rain or sweat or anything. To me, these things they would seem like they would just like disintegrate, but what do I know? So here are replaced lip balm tubes and the spray and this little guy here. Then the last thing is these stickers right here. This is what you use to put on the things that you're making. So like for example, this, you can stick your face mist on there and you'll know what it is. Or if you use the oils individually, you have these to put on it so you know what's inside. These you do have to cut out yourself, but they do give you the stickers with all of the information, and I really do like that they add this here. So that is everything for this month's box, you guys. That is the different oils. That's the 4 different oils. Those are the 6 different recipes. Let me know what you think about the recipes this month. Comment down below. Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. If you guys want to know a little bit more about Simply Earth, you can use my code SheCrafty free to get a $40 gift card to use on a future purchase, and you get the free bonus box. The free bonus box is what you get in the beginning. It gives you like little roller balls, little vials. It gives you the carrier oils, beeswax, that kind of thing that you use with the monthly boxes to make the recipes. Now, this is $150 value. It's $39 per month. You will always get the 4 essential oils and the 6 different recipe cards, plus a little fun extras to use with them. And there's a new theme every single month. It's free shipping to the United States. And I really like that they're detailed on the instruction cards. If you have any questions, you can go to their forums and watch them physically make them. If you have any questions whatsoever, they're always there to help you out. And yeah, so again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.